Hey guys, this video might only return, so please be aware when that happens. What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making some slime. So these are all the ingredients you need. Foam soap, optional. Glue, like a colouring, optional. Borax or contact lens. A bowl and a spoon. So let's get straight into it. Okay, first you're going to add the glue. Got glue on me. And guys, be aware, I'm not the best at making slime, so.
Have you showered?
No.
What are you in your nightie for? Can you put the...
Sorry about that, guys. Yeah.
Clean?
Okay, on to the second glue.
Want me to pour your cake into the tin?
Anyway, now you can add your foam soap. If you want it to be really stretchy, add a lot. Then add your colour, which is optional. I chose pink.
This!
So those are just my dogs. Anyway, there we go. Now it's time to mix. Right, there was a little bird's eye view of what's kind of going on. If you want yours to be like a pastel, you can always add some more foam soap or less colour.